Hey there, SEO enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of digital marketing. Today, we're diving into the world of backlinks. Ever wondered how these little links can skyrocket your website's ranking on Google? Or how they could drag it down if you're not careful? Stick around because we're about to explore the good, the bad, and the ugly of backlinks. So, what exactly are backlinks? Imagine them as votes of confidence from one website to another. When Site X links to Site Y, it's like Site X saying, "Hey Google, Site Y is awesome." These votes are crucial because they signal to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable. Let's consider an example. If you run a blog about healthy cooking, a good backlink would be from a respected site like Healthy Eats Daily linking to your quinoa salad recipe. This tells Google your content is reliable and relevant to people interested in healthy eating. But a bad backlink might come from an unrelated, low-quality site like a sketchy get-rich-quick blog. Such links can confuse Google and hurt your site's reputation. Now, let's get practical. How do we distinguish between good and bad backlinks? We'll use Moz Link Explorer, a fantastic free tool for analyzing backlinks. First, head over to Moz Link Explorer and create a free account. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, enter your website's URL in the search bar. You'll see a list of backlinks pointing to your site, along with metrics like domain authority, page authority, and spam score. What is domain authority? This score, ranging from 1 to 100, predicts how well a website will rank on search engines. The higher the domain authority, the stronger the website's authority. A backlink from a site with a high domain authority, such as a well-known news outlet or a popular blog, is generally more valuable. What is page authority? Similar to domain authority, page authority predicts how well a specific page will rank. A high page authority means the page itself is strong and reputable. For instance, a link from a high PA page about healthy recipes directly to your quinoa salad post is a great backlink. Finally, let's talk about spam score. This metric indicates the likelihood of a site being spammy with a score ranging from 0 to 100%. The higher the percentage, the more likely the site is spammy. A high spam score is a red flag, suggesting that links from that site could harm your SEO. If you discover backlinks with a high spam score, you can use Google's Disavow tool to prevent these links from impacting your site's ranking. Search for the Disavow tool on Google, click on the result titled Disavow tool, and upload a text file with the URLs you want Google to ignore. Review your list carefully and submit it. This action tells Google to disregard these bad links when evaluating your site's quality. Don't worry, I'll make a separate, full video on how to disavow spam links. For more tools, you can check out Ahrefs Backlink Checker, which shows the top 20 backlinks and essential metrics for free. SEMrush also offers a limited free tier for backlink analysis. Search for Ahrefs Backlink Checker on Google and click on the link, then enter your URL in the tool. It provides an overview of top backlinks, referring domains, referring pages, and other useful metrics, helping you understand which links are most beneficial. Search for SEMrush Backlink Checker on Google and click on this link. With SEMrush, after entering your URL, you get insights into your backlink profile, including anchor texts and referring domains, offering a snapshot of your link building efforts. Remember, in the world of backlinks, quality beats quantity every time. Focus on building relationships with reputable, relevant sites and be cautious of any links that seem too good to be true. And there you have it, folks. Backlinks are more than just hyperlinks. They're the backbone of your SEO strategy. By understanding their impact and using tools like Moz Link Explorer, Ahrefs, and SEMrush wisely, you can boost your website's authority and climb those search engine rankings. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering the digital marketing game. Got any questions about backlinks? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Until next time, keep optimizing and stay curious.